Here's a quick way to contour a layer project. So the first thing you want to do is upload your image, and then you want to go ahead and remove all of the details first. So after you remove all of your details, then you want to go ahead and duplicate it, one for each color that you're going to need. For this one, I use 7 different colors, so I went ahead and duplicated it 6 times. After that, I went to the edit option, and when it says basic cut, you want to change each of them to the desired color. So now that that's done, you want to I started with the pink one. So basically you just want to touch everything you want pink. So I want the hearts pink and I want the Minnie Mouse to be pink. And then once you select everything you want to be that color, all you have to do is just tap that outline and the outline will disappear and you're just left with whatever you want to be pink. It's super easy, way easier than touching every single element every single time. You're basically just focusing on what you want and the outline, and that's it.